Hi, I'm Deb Kelch from Finish Well Health Coaching, and it's time to look in the fridge again. Let's see what we have here. Mushrooms. Onion. There's orange. What's in here? Let's see what's in here. Ooh, grilled chicken. Yes. Okay. And I have here some bone broth gravy. That sounds delicious. I think I'll use that. So now we'll go over the ingredients that I found. Keeping it simple today, I have just 4 ingredients and I'm gonna cook something quick and easy. Let's do it. Okay, so we have grilled chicken, sliced white mushrooms, an onion, and bone broth gravy. I got my skillet ready. Let's see. Gonna make the gravy. So I have here 1 cup of filtered water. I'm gonna put that right in my pan. I'm gonna stir in the gravy, heat this up. I don't eat gravy very often. This gravy's not gluten-free. I usually eat gluten-free. So I'm not sure I would buy this again based on the ingredients that I see in here. It does have beef fat in it, but it also has maltodextrin, which is a sugar. So we're going to heat this up. Until it's bubbling. The gravy's bubbling. I'm going to turn this heat down and simmer it. Still not mixed as well as I would like it to be. Just want this on a low simmer here. Now I'm going to cut up some onion. Look at that. I'm going to mix that in so they get caramelized. Stir these up. I'm going to put the chicken in last since it's already been cooked. That's the beauty of having leftovers. They're already cooked. Just need to heat them up. More mushrooms. Now I'm going to add some chicken. A little bit more. Some more mushrooms. I think I would like to add a little more onion. Give it some extra flavor. That looks great. Ooh. I'm going to season it with some black pepper. I'm going to use a little more than usual. I don't usually put a lot of pepper. And some mineral salt. That looks delicious. I'm going to turn it up a little bit so it starts bubbling again. Ooh. Look at that. Just going to caramelize these onions a little bit more. Make sure the mushrooms are cooked a little more. You can see it's bubbling. Got my bowl ready. Turn off the heat. I'm just going to dump this right in the bowl. And there we have it. And now I'm ready to eat.